You've seen the ads in your mailbox and on your TV or computer.
Vote yes on Justices Donahue, Doherty, and Wecht.
Vote no, no, no.
There's a lot of attention on whether Justices Christine Donahue, Kevin Doherty, and David Wecht should remain on the Supreme Court, where they could weigh in on cases involving mail ballots, the legality of skill game machines, congressional redistricting, or public funding for abortion.
I mean, it really can change the balance of power on the court, so it's a unique opportunity to try to change the direction of the court.
The justices who hear cases right here in the state Supreme Court chambers at the state capitol have a lot of influence on the state. Their decisions are wide-ranging and affect the entire Commonwealth.
If you believe that the court should just interpret the law and not make the law, then you should vote no to the retention of the three Supreme Court justices.
State Senator and Pennsylvania GOP Chairman Greg Rothman says Democratic justices overstepped their purview on COVID pandemic restrictions and mail voting.
Unfortunately, we have three Supreme Court justices who are very much activist judges who believe that they should make the laws. If you want to make the laws, you should run for the legislature or run for governor.
Democrats are trying to retain the three justices.
That's why the nonpartisan, even right-leaning Bar Association recommended not just for the Supreme Court justices, but retention for all the appellate court justices.
Pennsylvania Democratic Party Chairman Eugene D. Pasquale says the justices have ruled fairly and should not be removed for partisan reasons.
Holding up the law on fair education funding, protecting reproductive freedom by upholding the law, and standing up for judicial fairness. That, to me, is what a judge should be doing.
Burwood Yost with Franklin and Marshall College's Center for Opinion Research says he is not surprised political groups are spending millions of dollars on races that have typically resulted in judges being retained.
Even among people who are likely to vote, they're not certain what they're going to do. And so all the spending over the next weeks are going to make a difference in influencing people and hopefully getting them to pay attention to understand what's at stake and what a yes or a no vote means.
Voters will have their say November 4th. Tom Lehman, WGAL News 8.